I guess since I am in a quiet place, I can talk. And so, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Heart of Tamara. Let's check out this cool place. This is totally my vibe. I love waterfalls, I love camping environment. This is so cool. It says Santrantor National Forest Group Camp, Bettlewood. That is way cool. Way cool. How far can I go? Ooh, I can go right in there. Let's go swimming. Swimming. Here we go. Should we take a sit? Oh, we can't. Okay. We can only walk on it. Let's see what's for sale. And I apologize for the keyboard thing. I was trying to minimize it so that it was floating. But apparently I can't remember how to do it. So guess I can't do that. But it's okay. Maybe it's better that it's wide anyway. It might be better that it's wide. Maybe you can read it better. This is really cool. I don't know if I would really like this kind of stuff though, and it's kind of slow to load, isn't it? There. Oh, I don't know. It's not my style. So here we go. Let's go check over here. Oh, there's some more things for sale. Let's see what's for sale. Oh, $50, huh? I see. What's in here? Oh, this is cool. There's a receptionist. Oh, no, DJ. I'm the DJ. Boom, boom, boom. Ring me, dance, dance. Ring me, dance, dance. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you. What's your number? I'm gonna call you. Let's take a sleep. Do. I can see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Let's go sit around the campfire. Well, he's got a weird name, doesn't he? Zin. That's cool, though. It's very cool. Very creative. I never would have thought of doing that. That's pretty cool. So, let's see. Well, I don't know about you, but I love this place. I love. Oh, this is Creek Falls. I have this place. They just changed that waterfall a little bit. I remember the last time they had this. They had poses up there, and I bet this time you can't go up there. That was so cool when they had poses up there. Oh, there's a Porta Johnny. So, let's see. Yep, we can't go up there, can we? Sad. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you the new place, and I guess we've seen it. It's kind of sad we can't go up there. Oh, it's a little bit different than before. I don't see the railing. Okay, let's lay down. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Come on now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I would love to get to know you and watch your channel too. Bye-bye.